In today's video I will show you how to use MQTT on the Raspberry Pi. Start by installing the MQTT library. Go to the HiveMQ website and here you can find a couple of examples for your Python code. Start by making a Python script. In this script we will define our MQTT settings, like our broker and our port. We also need a topic to subscribe or publish to, and I will use MQTT switch. Then I also will define some GPIO pins, and I will use the onMessage function to read out any messages from the topic. If a message reads on, I will turn on the LED. If the message reads off, I will turn off the LED. All the example code will be in the link in the description. Now go to the HiveMQ WebSocket client in the link in the description, and now we will publish a message which we can read in our Python script. So we sent the message on, we received the message, and now the LED will be turned on. Now we will send a message off, and the LED will be turned off. Now I will do the reverse. Let's publish a message with the Python script and receive it in the broker. Here we do the same. We first configure our MQTT settings, our broker, port and topic. But now we need to publish a message. In our main function, we will publish a message on to turn on the LED, or off when we want to turn off a LED. Let's try it out. We need to subscribe to MQTT switch. And now if we publish and send a message, you can see we will be receiving it in the broker. Now I will open a new terminal. This can be another Raspberry Pi or something else. And I open the subscribe and the publish at the same time. And as you can see, we can communicate between two devices over an MQTT broker. Look at my GPIO video where I explain how to use the GPIO pins on the Raspberry Pi, and now you can start making your own projects. If there are any questions, leave them down below. I hope this was useful. All the code will be available in the description and all the info too.
Visit clipcourse.dev and navigate to the tutorial section in the category list. You'll discover all our tutorials along with the accompanying files available for free and secure download with just one click.